Essay on C versus Raman. The great Indian physicist Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, popularly known as C. V. Raman, was born on the 7th of November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His parents are Chandrasekaran Ramanathan Iyer and Parvati Ammal. His father was a physics teacher, and so it was natural that Raman developed love for the subject. He was a brilliant student from the very beginning. As a brilliant and promising lad, he passed his matriculation examination at the young age of 12 from Madras University. His parents wanted to send him to England for higher studies, but his poor health did not allow it. He studied at Hindu College, Vishakhapatnam and Presidency College, Madras. He obtained his post-graduation degree in physics in 1907 with the top position. During his student period he conducted many researches and published his papers in many reputed magazines. His interest in physics was deep and lasting, and so he continued his research work in his spare time in the laboratory of the association. He published his research results in the leading journals of Calcutta, now Kolkata, which were in regard to the subject of propagation of light. These original research papers were of great scientific significance. When these came to the notice of the then Vice-Challenger of Calcutta University, Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee, he appointed him Professor of Physics in the university. During his stay at the university he continued his research with much more devotion and won immense honor and recognition as a physicist. He was elected the Fellow of the Royal Society of London in 1924. He discovered the Raman effect in 1928. For it he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. He became the first Indian to win this prestigious honor. With this award, his reputation increased by leaps and bounds, and many universities and institutions. In December 1927 he was busy in laboratory when the news came that the well-known physicist A.M. Compton was awarded the Nobel Prize for demonstrating that the nature of X-rays undergoes a change when passed through a matter. This effect came to be known as the Compton effect. Encouraged by this discovery, Raman continued his experiments and ultimately proved that light rays can also be scattered. His discovery enabled for the first time the mapping of possible levels of energy gains of molecules and atoms of a substance, and thus discovered their molecules and atomic structure. This discovery of the scattering of light led to the development of a simple alternative to infrared spectroscopy, namely Raman spectroscopy. Raman effect happens when molecules of a medium scatter light energy particles known as photons. The spectrum varies with the nature of the transparent medium used to scatter the light. Raman effect has proved to be of great scientific value, and with its help the structure of more than 200 compounds has been known. He also gave us the scientific explanation for the blue color of the sky in the ocean. He explained that the blue color of the ocean was as a result of the scattering of sunlight by the molecules of the water. In 1933 he became the director of the Indian Institute of Sciences, Bangalore. In 1943 he founded the Raman Research Institute at Bangalore. He was knighted in 1927. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954 and the International Lenin Prize in 1957. His interests were wide and deep, and so were his contributions to the human knowledge and development. Besides optics, he was deeply interested in acoustics, the science and study of sound. He explained in details how the musical instruments like violin, sitar, cello, piano, veena produce harmonious tones and notes. He died on November 21, 1970 at the ripe age of 82 at Bangalore, and his mortal remains were consigned to flames in the campus of the Raman Research Institute.